Nasdaq 100 last week has given a breakout out of this flag formation after the bullish move, and it has moved towards its strongest resistance at 15,500. Now, if you recall, beyond 15,200, we have mentioned that 15,500, 400 is the next milestone. Now, can we say that this is a breakout? It is already a breakout. Can we say it is going to move towards 16,000 and all-time high levels from here? Or there is a possibility for it to retrace on the downside? Which position you should take in order to profit trading Nasdaq 100 next week? We will see with the help of charts first, followed with indicators. Towards the end, I will give you the trading levels and strategy. Watch till. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe to the channel to get the live updates. I share twice a day updates for Nasdaq 100 and targets. I do share twice a day. First with the Asia and Europe session and next with the US session. These two updates daily are very important. Do watch both. Press the bell icon and do like, share, and comment as well. Let's start. Now, if you look at this, see Tech 100 so far on the daily charts for last 4 to 5 months was trading in this bearish channel and it was forming a nice flag here. Now, this was a bullish flag and it is given a breakout. Now, if you look at after the breakout, now the top of this channel has become the support levels for Tech 100, which is right now at around 15,140, 150. And the last trading session has traded with the extreme bullish momentum, which we have seen after a little while. So, and another observation on the daily chart, see, none of the candles here also closed above 15,500, but this time it is closed slightly above 15,500 levels. That is also a slight bullish indicator. And thus, for the next week, we have to watch out for 15,550, 15,600 zone, where we are going to find the next resistance levels. Once it stays above 15,600, just stay long. We are going to look forward to 710, 800 as the next milestone, and then beyond that, it is going to break past the all-time high levels and should move towards 16,000 levels. But this is just on the daily charts. Let's have a look at the weekly chart. On the weekly charts too, we have seen this. It was a good flag formation. Now it has come out of this flag formation. It has given certainly a. But one must not forget, see one massive bullish candle, and this candle is in fact less than half of this move. This suggests that the bulls are there, but the bullishness is diminished. This is very important. The bulls are there, but the bullishness is diminished, and hence we have to exercise extra caution. Also, if you look at it, has almost come to the zone where we have seen good resistance here at 15,600 levels here. So first thing is between 15,550 and 600 is what I will watch out for. If it stays there for a while, then you can say that the prices are turning bullish and more momentum on the upside might take it till towards 15,800 levels as well. And then 16,000 also cannot be denied, breaking out beyond this zone. Second observation here. Now, if you see Tech 100 is staying below 15,400, and then if it breaks below 15,200, 140 zone, treat this as bearish. We may also expect a zone of consolidation here in the coming week where it may not fail, or it may fail to break the highs here, or may reverse from 15,600 on the downside. This is one probability one can look forward to. However, since this is a breakout out of this bearish channel, it can continue giving stronger bullish momentum. Now let's have a look at the monthly chart. On the monthly charts, if you see this, the bulls out here, only 3 minor bearish candles. This candle has breached the preceding highs as well and is now looking forward to the highs which we have seen couple of months. But if you see, it has given a flat bottom, and flat bottom, so higher highs, higher lows, it can still fall back from these levels. It can still continue on the downside, but we have to exercise extra caution. What it will try to do at best is, if it retraces from the 15,600 levels, we can see it again moving towards 14,800, and then try to give the identically symmetrical candle. The month has just started. We have to watch out more carefully. Yes, we have a flat bottom, and it is also preceded with the 3 consistent red candles. So this candle is going to remain important. Yes, it has given a breakout here. A possibility of a move above 15,800 will negate all the bearishness, and then we may look forward to 16,000, and then all-time high levels cannot be denied in the coming months. But right now, I do see that after the drop, it has retraced double top levels, or at best double top levels is what we can look forward to, and from there the drop cannot be denied. But let's have a look with the help of indicators. Indicators on the monthly chart, see 20 period moving average is still far below at 13,800 levels, and again the prices have started to diverge. Thus I am still shy of it to continue with the bull run unless and until it breaks past 15,800 and 16,000 levels. Moving averages have started to diverge. It is still bullish. The monthly stochastic have seen a good drop with the three red candles, and it is now looking upwards. Look at MACD, and this is the only point which I touched several times, that this is a crossover after months of bearishness, and this may continue with the upside because see it is preceded with a stronger bearish move. Thus it requires for it to at least retrace a bit towards the middle. That is the only indication which is suggestive of bullishness. Also, if you look at last 15 years, Tech 100 has crossed over here at the bottom always and tries to trade bullish. For the month, yes, it may remain in green. However, not without a little retracement. You have to watch out at 15,600, 800 zone at worst. RSI comfortable. Coming to the week, on the weekly charts, what has happened? Prices were divergent here from the 20 period. It has in fact moved towards the 50 period moving average and have bounced back. If you see the moving averages here, the now all the moving averages have started to diverge. Also, the crossover here on the weekly charts was very nearby, thus it is looking upwards. Next is the top of the Bollinger Bands is at around 15,900 levels, and it can try to put some pressure on the Bollinger Bands from these levels. Stochastic has started to rise. Now, see, this is one point. MACD was trading with divergence. It has started to converge a bit. And one must not forget that this crossover has come at a certainly higher level. And if you notice, see, the crossover from the higher levels calls for it to continue on the downside, and possibly it is just trying to converge this candle, and the next candle will decide its fate. So it has already converged, and the next candle when it starts, we may again look forward to bearishness, because see, if the top and the bottom, it is coming from the extremely higher levels. So a couple of retracement candles are done, and from here again the bearishness may prevail. Thus we have to watch out more carefully. 15,600, 15,800 zone is going to decide the fate of Nasdaq 100. RSI has dropped. It is trying to reverse. Coming to the now on the daily chart, see the support levels here has become stronger at 15,200, 15,140. This is a zone Nasdaq 100 to need to break past by, and yes, at least it may fall back within these levels, that is 15,400 to 200, before reversing. And below 15,140 certainly is where the bears will be taking over. Also, if you look at the moving averages are crossing over here and are stationed at around 14,800, 15,900, which is the strongest support zone. It is looking upwards here. I will definitely watch out for how it behaves for the first candle in the coming week. If it gives a breakout above 15,600, you should treat this as a bullish move, and it is going to fly high. Though in all probabilities it can also yield another red candle from here. But looking at the bullish close towards the end of the day suggests that the bulls are not completely vanished and it can continue on the upside. If you look at the stochastic, this was overbought. It has cooled down a bit, but it has not come out of the overbought zone. It is yet overbought. MACD is still trading with divergence, and it is still looking bullish. Now, this is one which is suggestive of existing bulls in Nasdaq 100. It was yielding lower highs, lower lows. This time it has given a breakout. It is looking upwards, and it can continue here for a while. RSI is also looking upwards, staying bullish. On the 4-hour charts, converging towards 20 period, extreme divergence is seen, and the moving averages have also crossed over. Now it is looking forward to the highs here at 15,600. This is something I will watch out. The stochastic back to overbought. MACD has crossed over here, but see, MACD has crossed over at the top as well. Thus, it has the probability for it to continue on the downside. RSI is back to overbought levels. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to define the trading levels and strategy for you so that you can trade profitably. And before I provide you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my mentorship batch. The 27th batch is going to start on 20th of November. Limited seats are available. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more. And yes, you can register by visiting the platform forexonda.com, where this course is going to be conducted. You will find the details related to the batch here, the timelines, the curriculum, the services which you are going to get along with this batch. And yes, on the bottom you will find the payment options and the registration form. Do fill in the details, do proceed ahead with the payment and register your seats now. Yes, this platform has much more to offer, be it the economic calendar, be it the charts from across the globe. Anything which is getting traded across the globe is available here. You can also schedule a call with me if you need any consultation guidance. And also, you can put queries in the support forums. And yes, you can initiate a discussion and find out the trades and trends related to your favorite indices or commodities here in the discussion forum. Do visit the platform, indulge in the discussion with the like-minded traders, and do raise your queries and find out more information and take a informed decision. And yes, if you want to trade as per the signals, you can join my signals group. The VIP signals group on Telegram gives much more than what you expect, and definitely it will be a profitable trade. Reach out to me for more details via Telegram or email. Now, first, let's talk about the levels. Now, see, 15,510 it has closed at. I will only recommend you to buy at 15,500. See, 15,530 is the level where I will recommend you to buy, but then be watchful of 15,565, 15,610 or 605. Yes, you have to be watchful as long as these levels are there. 15,605, 15,620 is the zone which is going to give it a maximum resistance. It can fall back from these levels. Remember, we can see a drop as long as these levels are respected. We can see a possible reversal. Beyond 15,620, I will look forward to 15,710, the next milestone, and then 15,800. Now, beyond 15,600, 15,800 is the next critical resistance on the upside. We have to watch out more carefully in between 15,600, 800 zone. This is the zone where we are going to see maximum resistance for Tech 100, and it can reverse probably from these levels. Beyond 15,800 is where the bulls will be completely taking over, and then directly we are looking forward for it to land towards 16,000 levels. Stay long. On the downside, where to? Now, I will only recommend you to sell here at 15,480, but then 15,440, 15,400. Now, 15,400 is the first milestone and the first support which Nasdaq 100 to get on the downside. Below 15,400, the actual support is at 15,200 only. Remember, but the nearest support you will find at 15,335, 15,335, 15,320 levels. Very, very good support exists here. And below this, we can look forward to 15,240, 15,200 as the next milestone. And if it breaks below 15,200 and then 15,140, these two levels, if Tech 100 breaks below, you can say that we are again going to see the bears for 15,000, 14,900, and breaking below 14,900 is the crash awaited for Tech 100. Below this, you can stay short. You can expect it to continue on the downside towards 14,500, 600 zone. Thus, take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Join my free Telegram channel. And yes, you can be part of my platform forexwonder.com where we can initiate discussions there. So do book your seats for the mentorship batch. Do not miss this opportunity and join my VIP signals channel on Telegram. Thank you very much. Watch the twice a day updates on Nasdaq 100 every day. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading week ahead.